Hello, everyone, and welcome back to ZFlow. I'm Mahmoud, and I'll be showing you today how I talk to our lovely AI phone assistant, Zoe, to ask about our events and if I want to register for one as well. So, the thing that we'll be exploring today is multilingual AI agents and the pros and cons for that. So, let's see how I'll speak in English and also try to speak in German.
Thank you for calling ZFlow. This is Zoe. How may I help you today?
Hello, Zoe. Can I please inquire about your events?
Here are our upcoming events. 1. Build MVPs with WeWeb and Zano on June 27, 2025. This workshop will teach you how to bring SaaS ideas to life without coding. 2. N8N Foundations on July 1, 2025. In this hands-on workshop, you'll learn to master automation with N8N, the open source tool for workflow automation. Would you like to register for any of these events?
Ja, ich möchte mich anmelden für die N8N Foundations Event. Bitte.
Great! You're now registered for the N8N Foundations event on July 1st, 2025. A confirmation email has been sent. If you need anything else, just let me know.
Dankeschön. Ciao.
Gern geschehen. Ciao.
So we have seen how it goes when I started in English. Now I'm gonna try to ask her about the events in German, and we can see what happens.
Thank you for calling ZFlow. This is Zoe. How may I help you today?
Hallo Zoe, darf ich Ihnen fragen nach Ihren Events?
Hallo, wie kann ich Ihnen helfen? Was möchten Sie wissen?
Ich möchte wissen, was für Events haben Sie?
Hier sind ein paar bevorstehende Events. Erstens Build MVPs with WeWeb and Xano am 27. Juni 2025. In diesem Workshop lernen Sie, wie Sie SaaS-Ideen zum Leben erwecken können, ohne zu programmieren. Zweitens N8N Foundations am 1. Juli 2025. Dies ist ein praktischer Workshop, um N8N, ein leistungsstarkes Automatisierungstool, zu meistern. Möchten Sie sich für eines dieser Events anmelden?
Nein, danke schön. Ciao.
Es scheint, dass ich Ihre Anfrage nicht ganz verstanden habe. Können Sie bitte klären, was Sie meinen?
So I'm gonna end the call. And as you can see, these are the cons of trying to build a multilingual AI agent, phone AI agent. It, first of all, increases latency a lot. As you can see here, it's 1,200 milliseconds just because it's multilingual. And if I go and then I choose the normal voice configuration, for example, and for the transcriber, I use something that is for English, it goes down from 1,790 milliseconds to, until it finishes publishing, 190 milliseconds. And with some even other configurations, it reaches 660. And this makes it really, really different. Just to show you how, as I was saying, just to show you how fast 990 milliseconds is different from the 1,790 was. I'll do another call.
Thank you for calling ZFlow. This is Zoe. How may I help you today?
Hello, Zoe. Can I please inquire about the events?
Just a sec. Here are some upcoming events. 1. Build MVPs with WeWeb and Xano on June 27th.
Ending the call. So as you can see, it replied instantly, just a sec, and went to the database to check. And that's what I'm gonna show you now. It's even sometimes faster. However, it seems that the internet had some lag, which is why it took a bit longer. So to show you what is going on in the background, VAPI essentially is using a tool that is called for N8N, and we can find it here. It's called Query Events or Create Event Signup. We can also have it as one tool, but that's a time for another video where we're using two. And we have this scenario, really simple workflow that N8N is calling through this webhook, sending all the information that we need that is going into this AI agent with this prompt that we will discuss hopefully in more detail in another video. We're passing all the information, and then the AI agent will decide which tool to use, either to query the events and know which events are there to tell the user, or to query the events to know the event ID and then create it using this tool, create the registration for the user using this tool, create and sign up in Supabase. After that, there's a response to the webhook in this format. It must be in this format for VAPI to understand it. And of course, we have our own prompt in VAPI. So this was a really fast video with no details. We will dive deeper into the details of how this was built. It's not a very complicated AI phone agent, but it does the trick. So thank you, everyone, and see you in the next video.